Hello students. In our last class we had completed the chapter Kingdom Classification. In today's session I am going to tell you all the short exercises of the chapter Kingdom Classification. So in that first one is name the following. First one, animals which spend their lives fixed to a substratum, that would be sedentary. Number B, formation of a cyst by secreting a hard resistant covering, that would be encystment. Number C, animals that live in sea water, that would be marine. Number D, a wide opening in sponges for passing out water, that would be osculum. Number E, a true internal body cavity in which well-developed organs can be accommodated. Answer would be coelom. So I am repeating once all the answers. Number A, sedentary. Number B, encystment. Number C, marine. Number D, osculum. Number E, coelom. Next one is choose the odd one from each of the following, and for that you have to give the reasons. Number 1, amoeba, paramecium, fungi, euglena. In that fungi is odd one. Rest are the examples of kingdom Protista, or rest are protists. Anything you can write. So fungi is odd one. Rest are the members of or the examples of kingdom Protista. Number 2, mushroom, rhizopus, penicillium, bacterium. In that bacterium is odd one. Rest are different members of kingdom fungi. So rest are the examples of kingdom fungi apart from bacterium. Number 3, pseudopodia, flagellum, cilia, ostia. In that ostia, rest are the locomotory appendages present in kingdom Protista. Number 4, Hydra, Aurelia, Metridium, Planaria. In that Planaria, rest are the examples of phylum Coelenterata. Number 5, Earthworm, Ascaris, Nereis, Leech. In that Ascaris, rest are the examples of phylum Annelida. Now I am going to tell you the answers of fill in the blanks. Number 1, lichens or lichens are a symbiotic combination of algae and fungi. Number 2, in mollusca, the body is divisible into head, visceral mass and foot. Number 3, presence of notochord, dorsal hollow nervous system and tail are the diagnostic features of chordata. Number 4, 5 kingdom system of classification was given by R.H. Whitaker. Number 5, hair-like cilia or whip-like flagella for locomotion are present in Protista kingdom. Number 6, Echinodermata is a phylum of spiny-skinned sea animals. So I am repeating once all the fill in the blanks. Number 1, algae and fungi. Number 3, notochord. Number 1, lichens are a symbiotic relationship combination of algae and fungi. Number 2, head, visceral mass and foot. Number 3, notochord, dorsal hollow nervous system and tail. Number 4, R.H. Whitaker. Number 5, Protista. Number 6, Echinodermata. Next one is true false. Number 1, animals living on trees are called arboreal. That statement is correct or true. Number 2, reptiles may be aquatic or terrestrial. The statement is false. In place of reptiles, it should be amphibians. In place of reptiles, it should be amphibians. Number 3, frog is a warm-blooded animal. The statement is false. In place of warm-blooded, it should be cold-blooded. Number 4, the heart of mammalian is completely four-chambered. The statement is true. Now next one is choose the correct answer. Number 1, who proposed 5 kingdom of classification? Answer is R. Whitaker. Number 2, binomial nomenclature was given by Linnaeus. Number 3, hemocoel is found in both A and B, means both Arthropoda and Mollusca. So option should be both A and B. Number 4, animals living on trees are called arboreal. Number 5, joint appendages and chitinous skeletons are characteristic features of Arthropoda. Number 6, the phylum in which animals have soft bodies covered with hard shell is Mollusca. Number 7, which one is warm-blooded animal? Rat or human being? Number 8, which one is an egg-laying mammal? Answer is platypus. Number 9, fungi are characterized by all of the above. Answer should be option D, all of the above. Number 10, forelimbs are modified to form wings in birds. So I am repeating once all the answers of choose the correct answer. Number 1, R. Whitaker. Number 2, Linnaeus. Number 3, both A and B. Number 4, arboreal. Number 5, arthropoda. Number 6, mollusca. Number 7, rat or human being. Number 8, platypus. Number 9, all of the above. Number 10, birds. Now lastly, I am going to tell you the answers of match the column. So here you can see one column A is there, one column B is there. We have to match both the column. Now in column A, number 1, amphibia, that would be cold-blooded of column B. Now number 2, lichens, that is the symbiotic relationship. Number 3, blue-green algae, that would be cyanobacteria. Number 4, platyhelminthes, that would be planaria liver fluke. Number 5, fungus, that would be chitin. Number 6, mammals, that would be presence of hair. Number 6, mammals, that would be presence of hair. Number 7, protozoans, that would be paramecium. Number 8, phylum Echinodermata, that would be starfish. So I am repeating once: amphibia, cold-blooded; lichens, symbiotic relationship; blue-green algae, cyanobacteria; platyhelminthes, planaria liver fluke; fungus, chitin; mammals, presence of hair; protozoans, paramecium; and phylum Echinodermata would be starfish. So students, we had discussed all the short exercises of kingdom classification chapter. So you are requested to go through the chapter well. Bye and have a nice day.